watching the clouds, I almost forgot to look for the colors. Counted every raindrop, every sleepless night, wondering if morning would ever bring the light. Thought heaven forgot my name, then the clouds began to break. You never promised a life with no rain. You promised you would remain. After the rain, I finally saw every promise was there all along. The sky kept changing, your love stayed the same. Now every rainbow calls my name. I don't fear tomorrow, I don't fear the pain, because I know there's promise after the rain. The storm was never stronger than you, even when I couldn't see the truth. Every tear watered the ground where hope would grow. When the sun came out, clouds rolled in, grace rolled deeper. Thought it was over, you were my keeper. Every scar became a story,